China's brilliant move, silently building the world's first drone carrier. In the rapidly evolving world of military technology, China has once again demonstrated its prowess by silently developing and launching the world's first dedicated drone carrier. This strategic move, which has taken many by surprise, marks a significant milestone in naval warfare and highlights China's innovative approach to enhancing its military capabilities. This essay delves into the implications, design, and strategic advantages of this groundbreaking development, offering viewers a comprehensive understanding of why this drone carrier represents a brilliant move on the global stage. The silent development. China's ability to develop such a sophisticated piece of military hardware in relative secrecy speaks volumes about its strategic intentions and capabilities. The quiet nature of the project indicates a high level of operational security and efficiency within China's defense sector. By keeping the development under wraps, China has avoided premature scrutiny and potential countermeasures from other nations, allowing it to gain a strategic edge. Design and capabilities. The drone carrier, reportedly named Zhu Haiyun, boasts an impressive array of technological advancements. Unlike traditional aircraft carriers that launch manned aircraft, this vessel is designed specifically for unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as drones. The carrier features advanced launch and recovery systems tailored to handle multiple types of drones, ranging from reconnaissance UAVs to combat-ready models. One of the key features of the Zhu Haiyun is its ability to operate autonomously, utilizing artificial intelligence to navigate and conduct missions with minimal human intervention. This autonomy extends to its drone fleet, which can be deployed for various tasks such as surveillance, electronic warfare, and precision strikes. The integration of AI allows for real-time data processing and decision-making, significantly enhancing the operational efficiency and responsiveness of the carrier. Strategic advantages. The deployment of a drone carrier provides China with several strategic advantages. Firstly, it enhances the reach and versatility of the People's Liberation Army Navy. Drones can be deployed in areas where manned aircraft might face higher risks, such as heavily defended territories or contested waters. This capability allows China to project power and gather intelligence more effectively and with lower risk to personnel. Secondly, the drone carrier represents a significant leap in naval warfare, shifting the paradigm from traditional carrier operations to more flexible and cost-effective unmanned operations. The cost of building and maintaining drones is significantly lower than that of manned aircraft, making it a more sustainable option for prolonged operations. Additionally, the ability to swarm drones in large numbers can overwhelm enemy defenses and provide a tactical advantage in combat situations. Implications for global naval power. China's introduction of the drone carrier has far-reaching implications for global naval power dynamics. It signals a shift towards more technologically advanced and unmanned systems in naval operations, a trend that other major powers will likely follow. The move could prompt other nations to accelerate their own drone carrier programs, leading to a new era of naval competition centered around unmanned capabilities. Furthermore, the presence of a drone carrier in China's naval arsenal enhances its ability to assert its interests in key regions such as the South China Sea. This strategic waterway, vital for global trade, has been a focal point of geopolitical tensions. The drone carrier can serve as a force multiplier, enhancing China's surveillance and defense capabilities in the region, thereby strengthening its territorial claims and deterring potential adversaries. Conclusion. China's silent development of the world's first dedicated drone carrier represents a brilliant strategic move that underscores its commitment to advancing military technology and enhancing its naval capabilities. The Zhu Haiyun is not just a testament to China's engineering and technological prowess, but also a clear indicator of its strategic ambitions on the global stage. By pioneering this new class of naval vessel, China has set a precedent that is likely to shape the future of naval warfare. As the the world observes this development, it becomes evident that the era of unmanned systems in military operations is not just on the horizon, it is here. China's drone carrier marks the beginning of this new chapter, highlighting the importance of innovation, adaptability, and strategic foresight in maintaining and enhancing national security in an ever-changing global landscape.